Manav. Today I'm going to show you how to make. There is the beautiful sun. Let's get started to make it. First we need a round circle in yellow color. After that a wedge for the mouth. And eyebrows in black colors and the eyes in black colors. Now let's stick them. First we have some glue. Enough glue, now let's stick them out over here. The eyebrows we have to stick it with really top and eyes will be here. Now first let's stick the right side one. Now let's stick the left side one. Now the eyebrows are ready. Let's stick the eyes. The face is ready, the mouth and the eyes and the eyebrows. Now let's stick the face. Turn the paper this side and stick it backwards. 3 times same color. Now I'll pick the pink color. Had already sticks the waist is. Now you have to fold like this and stick it here. Now the sun is ready. See how beautiful it is. And thank you for watching my video and learning. Please subscribe and take my channel and click the bell button. Bye everyone. I'll come next day with new things. Stay safe.